With today's technology, millions of people have less trust in the physical money issued by countries. Recognizing this, many companies are now launching initiatives that enable people to conduct direct cash transactions without needing banking intermediaries. In this context, AirTM was established for sending money. But exactly what is AirTM and how does it function for sending money across borders to any country? There are numerous alternatives available, both for sending funds and for purchasing goods and services, with PayPal being arguably the most well-known. Most people already know what PayPal is and how to receive money on PayPal. Another option that is still quite new involves sending money to a friend or making payments using the WhatsApp system. Nevertheless, a significant number of people have discovered that AirTM serves as the perfect platform for sending money. Perhaps this is precisely what you are searching for. So, if you're still unclear about the specifics of AirTM and how it facilitates sending money internationally, continue watching this video to discover more. In 2015, this platform was established, allowing users to deposit their money into the cloud and replenish it, which offers them greater security when performing these actions. AirTM is the ideal platform for sending money, as it can be utilized in any country around the globe. All of the above is with the company's policy in mind, which focuses on seeking out members who possess a stable currency and are also capable of executing transfers, as well as receiving their funds in their respective local currency whenever the need arises. It has about 200 payment methods, making it ideal for depositing funds, withdrawing, and sending money to other individuals. To register on this platform, you won't be required to pay even a single cent. On the contrary, you'll actually be able to earn a dollar percentage as a welcome gift, and even the maintenance costs won't be debited from your account. And that's merely to mention a few of the platform's benefits. Clearly, AirTM is utilized for sending money. All you have to do is simply maintain a positive balance in your account, which you can deposit into by transferring funds from PayPal, using various cryptocurrencies, and by converting Google Play or Amazon gift cards into dollars. You can also transfer funds from a national bank account to this platform if any problem arises. You can also transfer funds from your local bank account to your PayPal account. From there, you can then transfer them to AirTM, but be aware that PayPal's commission fees for the transaction will, of course, apply. The process is incredibly straightforward since AirTM for sending money features a user-friendly interface, making the steps to complete this operation extremely clear and easy to follow. Go to the website and choose either an individual or business account. Please select your country. You can certainly register with your Facebook or Google account. However, we do not recommend using these options. You will need to input your email and a password. This password should be at least 8 characters, including capital letters and numbers. Type in your first and last name, solve the CAPTCHA, and click on Create Account. Head over to your email inbox and click on the activation link there to gain access to this page. Enter your address, city, state, province, and the postal code, which you can find on Google. You'll need to enter your mobile number and your date of birth and then click on Verify Phone so that a verification code can be sent to your phone number. The system will then prompt you to choose whether you'd like to receive the verification code through an SMS text message or a WhatsApp message. Once you receive the message containing the activation code, simply input it to move on to the next page. These are account funding methods like PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, etc. Each method has varying top-up fees. PayPal charges 19.5%, Skrill charges 8%, Payeer is 2.5%, bank transfers are 4.5%, Perfect Money is 2.5%, and Payoneer is 7%. The transfer using Ethereum is the one that can be utilized to benefit from the lowest fees. If you click on Browse, you'll see other methods like Visa, MasterCard, or debit card, and each method is available in specific countries. Additionally, a cash option is available through services like Western Union and other methods, but these typically come with high fees. There are also many types of digital currencies or the e-wallet method. It also supports topping up from a wide array of platforms that provide gift cards. It is also worth noting that some methods, such as Payoneer, necessitate verification procedures and identity documents. So if you choose to top up via Payoneer, you'll be asked to verify your account. You can click Verify Now to continue, or choose another method that doesn't require activation. For example, depositing with Payoneer doesn't require verification. You can enter the amount you want to top up, and you'll see the fees are relatively low. For instance, if you top up with $20, you'll receive $19.30. Click Select to obtain your account information, your Payoneer email and account number. Here's an important point to remember. The email you use for your selected shipping method must be identical to the one you registered your AirTM account with. If the two emails differ, simply click the small arrow, then choose to add an additional email address, proceed by clicking Configure, and finally click Submit. The site will then search for someone who agrees to accept your Payoneer balance in exchange for adding funds to your account on the site. Furthermore, it explicitly states that you will be responsible for all transaction fees associated with these top-ups. You have the ability to give the seller a rating, taking into account their response time. To withdraw funds, click on Withdrawal. You can use the same banks or methods that we use to deposit funds into the account. Similarly, if you choose Payoneer, for example, you will be the seller and the other party will be the buyer. So, contrary to the deposit method, you'll receive a Payoneer account balance in exchange for providing the other person with your AirTM balance. Subsequently, they will rate you based on how quickly you respond. You can also make a transfer or an exchange through the AirTM website. So, if you possess a perfect money balance and wish to exchange it for a Payoneer balance, you can locate an individual willing to purchase your balance and provide you with a Payoneer balance via a send or request transaction. You can initiate a transfer from your AirTM account to another individual's account at any other bank. And using this form, you can also transfer funds from your AirTM account to another individual's AirTM account. You'll enter the recipient's email address and then select the account balance you wish to pay from. Just input the amount, add a brief note, then hit send. To receive money, you can follow the same steps using this form. The recipient of the request will be notified about your request for funds. This ensures they are aware of the pending transaction. To request a virtual card from AirTM, you just need to click on Virtual Card. This particular type of card doesn't exist physically, but it's perfect for making payments online. It displays your dedicated account number, its validity period, and also the CVV numbers. It shows you that the fee for paying with the card is $1.25. And this can be reduced to $1 by verifying your account. The funds loaded onto the card are exclusively accessible and usable via the card itself. It will inform you that the card can be used on any website, with the exception of adult content or gambling sites, as using it on such platforms would put your card at risk. It provides this address in case you use the card and are asked to enter a billing address which belongs to the company. Click on Get a Card. You'll need to enter a name for the card and then specify the balance amount you wish to have on that card. Here, it will show you that the total cost is $19.30 US. This covers the one-time card creation expenses, and there is also a 45-cent top-up fee for the card. Make sure to enable this option to confirm your agreement to the card's purchase fees, which amount to $1.25 for each individual transaction or purchase. If you verify your account, it will only cost $1. Go ahead and click Next. And here's a notification from the site stating that you cannot refund the balance from the card after confirming. It also shows you a list of prohibited activities for the card. Specifically, you cannot utilize this card on Google Play or Amazon, and it's also restricted for purchasing advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. Furthermore, you are unable to use this card for making deposits into e-banks, gambling platforms, cryptocurrency websites, or adult content sites. To finalize, simply click Confirm. And with that, the card has been successfully issued. Press Show Card Number to display your card's details. For unverified or unauthenticated accounts, the maximum transaction limit is strictly $1,000 for each account that is opened, regardless of the time period. Also, you cannot add funds to your card after it has been issued. This means the card can only be loaded once. However, for verified accounts, you have the option to repeatedly reload your card by simply clicking the plus sign. For instance, let's say you want to purchase a game from the CD Keys website. For instance, this game, click on it, then click Buy Now and check out. You must enter your AirTM card details, including the 16-digit card number, the card's expiration date, and the CVV numbers. And you need to enter the American address we mentioned earlier, which some websites require you to enter during the purchase, and this is the billing address. This way, you can buy the game or its code from the crypto section. You have the option to buy or sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Simply specify the amount, price, and other details. To activate your AirTM account, navigate to Settings. From your profile, you can then upload a personal picture. Through the verification section, you have the ability to initiate and complete the process of activating your account, thereby verifying its authenticity and enabling full access to all features and functionalities available on the platform. Simply click on Verify Now and select an identity document such as your ID card, passport, or driver's license. It is always highly recommended to use your passport, and it must not be expired. You have to take a live picture of the document, not a photo of a screen. Then, upload the picture. This way, you can verify your account to conduct financial transactions freely on the platform, enabling you to top up the card multiple times and benefit from reduced fees. Please feel free to share any questions or inquiries you may have in the comments section below. Additionally, remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.